Hello and welcome to our 37 in 1 sensor kit series. Today we are discussing about our 8th sensor, that is the relay module. So let's start with the introduction. The relay is a device that open or closes the contacts cause the operation of the other electric control. It detects undesirable condition with an assigned area and give the command to the circuit breaker to disconnect the affected area through on or off. Every electrochemical relay consists of electromagnet, mechanical movable contacts, switching point and spring. It has 3 pins. In this, the first one is the COM pin, that is the common pin for all, and the next is the normally open pin. There is no contact between the common pin and the normally open pin. So when you trigger the relay, it connects to the COM pin and power is provided to the load, the normally closed. There is a contact between the common pin and the normally closed pin. There is always connection between the COM and the NC pin. Even when the relay is turned off, when you trigger the relay, the circuit is open and there is no supply provided to the load. The relay works on the principle of an electromagnetic attraction. When the circuit of the relay senses the fault current, it energizes the electromagnetic field which produces the temporary magnetic field. This magnetic field moves the relay armature for opening or closing the connections. The small power relay has only one contact and the high power relay has two contacts for opening the switch. It has an iron core which is wound by an electrode and control coil. The power supply is given to the coil through the contact of the load and the control switch. The current flows through the coil, produces the magnetic field around it. Due to this magnetic field, the upper arm of the magnet attracts the lower arm, hence close the circuit, which makes the current flow through the load. If the contact is already closed, then it moves opposite and hence open the contacts. this is all about the relay. For more updates, just log on to our website and join our courses for more understanding. And don't forget to share, like and subscribe our YouTube channel.